How to take a screenshot on Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll walk you through the simple steps to take a screenshot on Windows 11. Whether you're capturing your desktop or a specific window, we've got you covered. Firstly, there are several methods to take a screenshot in Windows 11. The most common way is by using keyboard shortcuts. For capturing the entire screen, simply press the print screen key on your keyboard. It might be labeled print screen or PRTSC. This option will come up. Now select the area that you would like to capture. You won't notice anything immediate, but don't worry, the screenshot has been saved to your clipboard. To view and edit the screenshot, open an image editing software like Paint or Photoshop. Here, let me open up Paint. Then press Ctrl+V to paste the screenshot. You can edit or save it as needed. Here it is. The alternative method for capturing a specific window is to take a screenshot of a specific window, press Windows plus print screen keys simultaneously. This captures only the active window you're working in. Once again, the screenshot is saved to your clipboard. You can open an image editing tool and paste it just like before. Or even go and open up the picture folder, there you will find all the saved screenshots. And that's how you capture screenshots on Windows 11 using keyboard shortcuts. It's quick, easy, and very handy for sharing information or saving content. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you found it informative, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.